moving out of the van, back onto the boat.
Sailboat life to van life, back to sailboat life.
What are you doing, Rob?
Oh, it's been about almost 2 months. We just got our van out of the shop just to fix 2 back doors.
We're just driving it away.
Yeah, we're just driving it away. Actually, they did a pretty good job. I mean, the doors look beautiful. They work. They shut tight. Locks finally. I guess the one thing I wish this van had was a new paint job, but whatever.
Yeah, they painted the back doors red and shiny new,
Oh my goodness.
and
Yes.
it doesn't match the rest of the van, but
Not at all.
that's how it goes.
Now we got our van back.
And now we're gonna sell it.
Yep.
We think.
Well,
Pretty sure.
pretty sure we're gonna sell it.
All right.
Sad. I really like this thing, but
Time to go back to the boat.
yep.
All right.
Alright guys, here is our 2005 Dodge Sprinter van set up as a camper van. Here it is. I'll give you guys a little walkthrough. It is all set up. You've got a brand new mini cubic wood stove right there with some tin all the way around it. Coming on in, you've got Coleman camp stove right down here, drawer for supplies. Up top you've got lots of cupboards, ample covered spaces. Looking back, you got a table and 2 seating areas, 2 little settees for seating, and that converts into a bed. Open up, lots of storage. She's just about move-in ready. We are completely moved out and looking for a new owner. This is the garage space right here. Storage, curtains that close up, spot to stick 2 bicycles, some hangers and hooks, more hangers and hooks on the doors, and that is the van. We got tons of lights in here. Obviously, we all are trigger. It has 350 watts of solar and 200 amp hours of batteries. And batteries also recharge by the alternator, which is nice. And then obviously, new addition is a little fireplace. Had to take out the other one because the other one belongs in our sailboat. And that's it. That is our 2005 Dodge Sprinter van.
Guess what? We are getting ready to make films again, and I think we're just as excited as when we started 5 years ago, because we had a little bit of a hiatus, but here we are, back on the boat again. So basically, we got all of our stuff stolen while we were on our honeymoon in Mexico, and boy did we have a lot of good footage. So it was a big kick in the pants for us, and we had to reevaluate if we wanted to go ahead and spend all this money on camera gear, and at the same time that we've been making all these videos, we've been paying off our student loans, and so it finally felt like we were getting somewhere, and then bam, that happened to us. To be honest, now that I'm back on the boat, I'm pretty happy about it. Van life was fun and all. It definitely has its perks, but there's something about being on a sailboat that feels like it's more in my soul for me. Whatever that means. Good morning.
I'm exhausted right now.
I've been whipping Rob to work.
Oh my goodness. I was up till about midnight last night. I know some of you are probably like, midnight, that's not bad. For us, it's late.
Yeah.
But it's not just the sleep, it's the last couple days I've been working my ass off pretty much. Trying to get the boat all set up and ready to go. Today's the 4th of July. I think we're actually about 30 days behind schedule or at least behind the schedule that we were wanting to have. I mean, it's not like we're really on a schedule. We're more or less like, hey, let's shoot for June 3rd to be splashed in the water. But it wasn't until like almost June 26th, I think, until we splashed in the water. But today's the 4th of July, and we're finally going to go on a little shakedown cruise. We've been on anchor for probably the last week now since we splashed. I was up late last night putting up some new running rigging.
Yeah.
That's super exciting. New halyards, new running rigging. Gonna have a new traveler here soon. We got a bunch more lines to install, but it's good enough for now.
Blue and black.
Yeah, and I mean, there's no wind today, so it's just gonna be a motor. But the cool thing is we're motoring at almost over 6 knots right now, which is nice.
I know, we gained 2 knots with all the stuff we did with our boat, so it's like, oh my gosh, we can actually go over 5 knots now, or 6 knots. It's like a dream.
Yeah.
Under motor, at least. Yep, back to the boat, and we are also getting ready to sell our van.
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy because we I guess since we've really made an episode, we bought a van, we got married, and had all these adventures, including our honeymoon with the van, and now all of a sudden with the coronavirus we're like, okay, it's time to go back to the boat.
Change of plans.
And I think we're really appreciating, we've always loved the boat, but it was so fun to jump to the van and go down to Baja because we weren't quite ready to do that with our boat. And I like everything that we've done, but it feels good. It feels really good to be back on the boat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm excited. Today is our shakedown sail / motor. We are going to go up to the San Juans. I believe we are going to Stewart Island. And yeah, we're gonna meet some friends there who are also from Juneau. They sailed their boat down to the Seattle area. They are bringing their boat across from Anacortes to Stewart Island. We are going from Port Townsend to Stewart Island. And hopefully we'll be able to meet up and say hi and, hey, we sailed here, high five.
Mm-hmm.
And enjoy the 4th of July.
That is so nice. Yeah, it's so sailing.
That's amazing.
I mean, still got a little of it. It makes it so much easier though.
Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice.
Wow. Got a few other things I gotta do to kind of straighten it up. I gotta put the reef lines on. Reef lines, the topping line. This thing looks like it's pretty well set up.
Sweet! Look at that shiny boom.
Right?
Shiny white boom. If only our sails matched.
Yeah.
But
We'll get there.
we'll get there.
We'll get new sails here soon. We're gonna have lazy jacks too soon.
I know! Thank you, Port Townsend Rigging.
Alright, let's get some reef lines put in.
Alright. And right now we are just heading to the San Juans in the middle of the coronavirus.
Check out what I've done. So here's our reef lines right here. Boom, we got a nice silver black one and a nice silver blue one. This is when shit gets crazy. We put in a second reef, first reef. Obviously there's no wind right now, we're just motoring. But we feel like coming to sail up. Here's the topping lift. It goes through that little block right there. Up, down, and this way up to the front right there. to where we can lift, raise, and lower the boom if we need to. And obviously those blue halyards look beautiful. Can't wait to get the second set on here soon.
That looks so nice.
Pretty. It's like a brand new boat. I love it. Good old turning point.
These videos are supported by you. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you won't ever miss out on a new Adventure Lives video. If you want to join the crew and help support future videos, visit our website, adventurelives.com.